Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when touchpad is not working on your Asus computer. So the first step is to make sure that Asus touchpad is enabled in your computer. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to devices and then click on touchpad and make sure touchpad is enabled from here. And somewhere over here you will find additional settings. You can click on additional settings or you can just type in main.cpl in run box. So make a right click on the start menu, then click on run. Type in main.cpl and then click on OK, and then you will see this screen, and over here you will see ultra NAV. Make sure enable track point and enable touchpad is checked over here, and then you can go ahead and check your touchpad. The next step is to turn on and turn off tablet mode. For that, open Windows 10 settings and then click on system, go to tablet and then click on change additional tablet settings. And the tablet mode is off right now, so you can go ahead and enable it. So click on it, and once the tablet mode is on, you can go ahead and disable it once again, and then you can go ahead and check your touchpad. This has worked for many users, so it might work for you. The next step is to update touchpad driver. So open device manager, make a right click on the start menu, then click on device manager. Now you will find your touchpad driver under mice and other pointing devices. So select your touchpad and then make a right click, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers, and once that is installed, restart your computer and check your touchpad. Now in some cases you will find the touchpad under human interface devices, so click on this, expand it, and here you can find touchpad. Make a right click, then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers, and once that is done, restart your computer and then check for touchpad. Now still you are facing the problem, then you can make a right click on touchpad, open device manager once again, make a right click and then click on update driver. This time select browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then select your touchpad, then click on next, and once this is installed, restart your computer and then check your touchpad. So you might find the touchpad under human interface devices or under mice and other pointing devices. So just make a right click, update driver, browse my computer, let me pick, and then select it, then click on next and then restart your computer. The next step is to enable touchpad using the function key. So in different model number there might be different combination which may work for you. So in some model number, when you press the function key on the keyboard you will find the FN key. So press and hold the FN key, and while holding the FN key you can press F9, and when you use this key, when you toggle these key, it will turn on and turn off the touchpad. So you can go ahead and enable your touchpad using the function key and F9 or F6, F12, F5. So whatever model number, in different model number, there are different combination. So one of this might work. So try using the function key to enable or disable the touchpad. The next step is to disable and enable touchpad in BIOS. So if the computer is on, go ahead and shut down your computer first. And once the computer is shut down, start your computer, and immediately, as soon as you start the computer, immediately you have to keep on tapping the F2 key on the keyboard. Now once you keep on tapping the F2, it will take you to the BIOS screen. Now in the BIOS screen you will find advanced option on the top, so select advanced, and here you can see internal pointing devices. So go ahead and use the scroll key. You can scroll down using the down arrow key and select internal pointing devices, and if this is disabled in your case, you can go ahead and enable it, then save the settings and then exit, and then your touchpad should work. Now in case if this is already enabled, then you can go ahead and select and you can go ahead and disable it first. So go ahead and disable it, and after that apply the settings, then exit, and after you exit again keep on tapping F2, come back to the same screen, and this time go ahead and enable it. So sometimes disabling and enabling the touchpad in BIOS fixes the problem. So you can go ahead and try that. The next step is to update Windows 10 to the latest version. So go to start menu, then click on settings, click on update and security, and then click on check for update, and once the update is installed, restart your computer and then check your touchpad. The next step is to install touchpad driver from Asus website. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Also open this link, go to Asus website and then enter your model number over here, or you can go ahead and select your model number from here. So make sure that you select your model number. I'm just selecting random model number. In your case, just make sure that you select your model number. Once this is selected, click on driver and utility, and then it will take you to this page. Select your model number, select the operating system, and then here you can see pointing devices. This is Asus Touchpad Driver. So click on download, and once the download is done, you have to go ahead and install your Touchpad Driver from the Asus website. And once that is installed, restart your computer, and then you can go ahead and check your touchpad. If nothing is working, you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Touchpad Driver. To uninstall, you can open Device Manager once again, and then so you will find your touchpad over here. In case if this is your touchpad, make a right click, then click on uninstall device, click on uninstall. Or if you find the touchpad under human interface devices, make a right click and then click on uninstall device, click on uninstall. And after the uninstall is done, restart your computer, and then you can go ahead and check your touchpad. If that is not working, then you can go to Asus website once again and then install the Asus Touchpad Driver from Asus website. So one of the steps should help you to get your touchpad working on your Asus computer. That will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.